So this one's not going to be as long as the other because we've got a lot of the same thing happening over and over again in this one. So we got to create an application named shirt demo. They already given us that. It's going to declare several shirt objects. We're going to actually create 5 shirt objects, 5 instances of shirt. We're going to pass different values to them. Each one will have shirt 1, shirt 2, shirt 3, 4, and 5. And the class will have auto implemented properties, and that's the curly brace get set. So that's going to make things a little bit easier. And it'll be for material, color, size, and they're all going to be strings. So let's deal with our shirt class to start with. Now, like I said, our shirt class is going to be really easy. I want to have it cut and dry. So let's create this shirt class, public string material, public string color, public string size. They're all automatic get sets. We're good there. That part's out of the way. Now we need to come up in our main and we need to instantiate a number of different shirts. So how are we going to go about that? And we could say shirt 1 equals new shirt. Now, we can do a whole lot of stuff all at one time at the same time. So we're going to say shirt 1, shirt 2, 3, and 4, 5. Shirt 1 equals new shirt, shirt 2 equals new shirt, and I could have said shirt 1, just saved a little bit of typing by going this way. So I've got 5 instances of the shirt class, each one constructed. And from there, all I need to do is set values to those 3 attributes. Okay, they're automatic, so I just need to say shirt1.material equals cotton. There's my get, my sets, my get, my sets. So I set all those, or I shouldn't say get sets, so it's all those sets. I set all those values. From there, we're going to call this display method. Right. Now, this display method, come down here and here's our display method. And I've got right line, index 0, 12, backspace 12, index 1, backspace 10, index 2, backspace 6, material, color, and size. And then I've got for each shirt, big uppercase shirt, here, we're going to uppercase shirt, instance of shirt, we're going to go through it step by step. Now, each shirt in shirts. Now, our display, how do we call our display? Now, in our display, what we did was we used params. If you think back in methods, when we used params, what did params do for us? When we had that array next to it, remember we had an array of doubles, we had an array of strings. But when we did that, it allowed us to have an unknown number of values passed over. So I could invoke display and pass it 1 object, or I could pass it 6 objects, whatever it may be. It just stores those in this shirt array. And it calls them shirts inside. So, with that in mind, let's call that thing a few different ways. how we're going to call it. We're going to call it or invoke display and pass it 3 shirts, right line, 4 shirts, right line, 5 shirts. Because we did it in an array, and received them in no problem, one by one, stored them in an array, and then we just navigate through them once we get into that method. This is something we've done, we're just using it a different way now. If I run this thing, I populated each one, material, color, size. So they're all there. How do we do on our eval? We'll run checks. Says we're good. So we can go through and set up each one of these without a problem. They allow us to do what we need to do by using that array of shirt objects. How many do we want to pass? Doesn't matter. We're ready for it with an array. Is there a defined length of that array? No, because I don't know what I'm going to get hit with. I might get 1, I might get 30. Either way, all I need to know is for each shirt in shirts, so as long as there's something there, let's go write whatever's there. Address each object. Okay. So I got that one. I'll see you in the next one. That's 9.6a.